KingEthan, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing and doing a quick review of the Vodafone Smart E11. This is from Vodafone and it costs $89 in New Zealand. I got it on special at $69. Let's open it up, shall we? The box contains the phone, the charging cable, the charging brick, headphones, and a user manual. It also contains a removable battery, which I haven't seen that in phones for a very long while. So if I take the seal off, it shows on this phone that we have 4.95-inch display, 4G networking, 16 gigabytes of storage and 1 gigabyte of RAM, 1900 mAh battery, and 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel camera. First impressions, it really feels very light. The material on the back is really nice, just compared to like a Vodafone Smart C9 that I've had before. It's actually really nice to feel. It's got this nice bigger display, but it's not too big that it is too hard to hold. So it will be good for people with small hands. Looks very nice on the front with your cameras and your ports and your camera. The Smart E11 on the back. Let's see how it performs and let's turn it on. Before we do, make sure you click the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Okay, we've powered on the device and it is just loading on the Vodafone screen. Got the phone set up, and as you can see, because it's a lightweight Android version, Android Go, it's got all the Go apps. For example, Google Go, Gmail Go, Assistant Go, Maps Go, and Gallery Go. So you don't have to have a big micro SD card to support it. Going around the phone is a little slow. Like on some big web pages, it takes quite a while for it to load. But it's got all the apps you need, including YouTube, messaging, Google Maps, Google, Gmail, clock. It's all you need. Also, it's got big icons, so it's easy for you to press on them in a hurry. Another thing to know when buying a phone is the battery. This spat phone has got 1900 mAh of battery, which equivalents to a normal day's use. And this phone actually does really well. I got this phone at 70%, and with setup, it is only on 14%. Now, I have got battery saver on, and this does make a difference, but I think it's actually a very good battery if you're just looking for an entry-level phone. Don't go and expect to see some iPhone 12 level battery. So I've tested the camera, and here's a few things that I think about it. It's got some really cool features like this auto function, which is you can actually make the photo better. There are some examples of photos that I've taken on this phone on the screen, but it's actually a really good camera for this low budget, and the video is really good too. This is the video quality. I think it's actually really good. You can see the sea there, the trees, good light, the road. You can zoom in. So that's really nice, but it does get a little croppy as you zoom in more. But I think this is actually a really good video camera. In summary, I think that this phone is great for someone who's just looking around for a phone or doesn't have that big price range. It's really good for beginners, students, just anyone who hasn't had a phone before. And with its cheap price, I don't think it'll be an issue if you lose it or if you accidentally drop it. Don't think it's a huge problem because it's normally only selling for $89. That is locked to the Vodafone carrier. I got it on sale at $69, so I think it's a really good deal for someone who's just looking for that starter phone. Thanks for watching this KingEthan Tech video. If you like the new format, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and hit the like button. I'm going to be doing another video coming up in the next week, but in the meantime, go and see some of my other videos and you can get some more tech facts. Thanks again. Catch you in the next video.